Hello all, welcome to Shri Purnima. This is Jyoti. We are having a small home-based store located at Sadashivam Nagar, Madipakam, Chennai. We deal with different types of sarees and dress materials at affordable and reasonable price range. Okay. So today I have brought up some Chettinad cotton saree collections. Okay. All of them are 80 count sarees and they are all 6.2 meters, that is 5.8 meters, sorry 5.5 meters saree and 0.8 meters blouse piece. Okay, so total is 6.2 meters all the sarees are, and all of them are pure cotton 80 count sarees priced at 850 rupees. So shipping is extra 60 rupees within Tamil Nadu and 100 rupees rest of India. COD is also available. COD charges is 100 rupees extra to the product and the shipping cost. We ship across India and worldwide also. Okay, the shipping charges will be different based on the locations. Okay, so we ship using DTDC and delivery courier services. I will go with the sarees now. All of them are Chettinad cotton sarees at priced at 850 rupees. All of them are 80 count sarees. Okay. So this is the first collection. So it's very lovely green with purple shade. Okay, very pure cotton sarees. All of them are very pure cotton sarees and 80 count sarees. So this is the first saree. It's a light parrot green shade with the borders like this. Okay. So this is the border design and a plain parrot green. So you have the traditional pallu and you have the running blouse. So this is 6.2 meters. The saree is 6.2 meters. Okay. So this is how the saree will be looking. This is the body part. Okay. This is the body part. Okay. You have a thread woven border. So all of them are thread woven border. And a traditional pallu. All the sarees will have the traditional pallu alone. And you have the running blouse piece, 6.2 meters saree. Total length is 6.2 meters. So mostly we suggest don't cut the blouse pieces. Okay. So this is the first saree. Same design. It's available in red with yellow. Both are same design. Okay. It's red with yellow combination. The design is same. The border, this is the border. You have a small peacocks along with the thread woven border and a traditional pallu coming with a running blouse. Okay, this is a red with yellow combination. Red with yellow combination. This is how the saree will be looking. All of the sarees are priced at 850. These are all 80 count sarees. Okay, so this is the second saree. Please take the screenshots for all the orders and enquiries and WhatsApp me at 9150556870. I have mentioned my WhatsApp number in the description also, along with the direct link of my WhatsApp connection. So the next one, it's a lovely black with dark red combination. So this is the next saree. It's a black. The black is slightly varying in the video due to the triplet effect. Okay, it's a dark black color. The shade is a dark black with maroon shade. So this is the border design. Mostly the Chettinad cotton sarees, everything is mostly based on the borders. Okay, this is the border design. A slight zari border is given and the pallu, a traditional pallu with the green design, green and black given, and the running blouse piece. So this is the next design. It's a black with red. It's a black with red. Okay. All of them are priced at 850. Shipping charges is extra. Thank you, ma'am. COD is also available. COD charges is 100 rupees extra to the product and the shipping charges across India. Okay, all over India you have to pay 100 rupees extra to get COD. So this is the next one. It's a grey shade. Okay, it's a grey shade with a dark royal blue combination. Okay, it's a grey shade with dark blue combination. So this is the butta and the body part. Okay, and a traditional pallu here. Actually this is gives you the grey color. Okay, you have it will be given like the bottom is white and the top as black, so that you will be getting the grey color combination here. So this is how the saree will be looking. You get the grey color with dark royal blue. It's not black. Okay, it's a royal blue, dark blue combination. The saree length is 6.2 meters. Okay, 5.5 meters saree and 0.8 meters blouse piece. And the count is 80 count. It's a pure cotton sarees. The same design in a different shade with a dark with brown, sandal with brown shade. Okay, so this is, it's a kind of a light brown with dark brown combination. Okay, it looks like a sandal and brown together. Okay, the color is slightly varying. So the color will be like a light brown color and the dark sandal color. So this is the body, and you have the butta like this in the borders. Okay, the border is brown color, dark brown color, and the body part is a slight light brown color, also gives you the sandal look also. Okay, so this is the next one. This is same like the previous saree. Okay, these both sarees are having the same designs in the borders. Okay, this is the pallu, a traditional pallu coming with the chettinad cotton sarees. Okay, and the running blouse. So for all the orders and enquiries, please take the screenshots and WhatsApp me at 91505 So this is the next one. The saree has the dual shade of a green and sky blue. It has the color combination of a sky blue and a light green combination. Okay, the color is not correctly projecting in the video. Actually, this has a two-tone color. Okay, a sky blue and also a light green shade. Okay, and you have the peacock design here in the butta. You can see that the two color is given in the peacock. Okay, one is a sandal and the other is a pink shade. This is the thread woven. Okay, all the borders are thread woven. They have given the two colors to the peacock design. This is the border you have in the saree. Okay, both the borders are of same size. Okay, in all the sarees, and you have this kind of a pallu here, and the running blouse piece. This is a two-tone color in the body part, a sky blue with light green combination. It's very light shaded. Okay, and the border is of an orange shade with double colored peacock design butta woven. All of them are priced at 850. Shipping charges is extra. 60 rupees within Tamil Nadu and 100 rupees rest of India for singles. And this is the next one. This is the picture I have posted yesterday. So beach color, a lovely beach color with a Narayanapet kind of a border. So this is the border you get here. Okay, a peacock and all the thread designs. Okay, it's a triple border kind of a stuff with beach color. Okay, this is a coffee brown shade. The border is a coffee brown And the saree color is a beige color, a nice color combo. All the sarees have the nice color combo here. So this is how the saree will be looking. A beige color, okay, with a light coffee brown shade. All of them, the cotton is of very nice quality. It's a pure cotton saree. And a full red saree. This saree has a one side border. Okay, the upper border is empty. It's a borderless. Okay, this is the border you get in this saree. Full thread woven design. Okay, it's a full thread woven design, floral design only in one side of the border. Okay, so it's a full dark red color, blood red color. And this is the pallu. And the blouse piece. Okay, it's a blood red color, single sided border. Okay, very fancy design with a nice floral design, floral buttas given in the border. Okay, so this is the next one. It's a dark red color. For all the enquiries and orders, please take the screenshot. You can refer all my collections in my WhatsApp catalog as well along with my page. So it's a green color, bottle green. Okay, the folding has been a little different. Okay, so this is the saree. You have the Ganga Yamuna border here. Okay, so upper side is a yellow border and the down is a green border, a different shade of a green. Okay, the main saree is bottle green and here it's a light shaded bottle green color, and this one is a kind of a yellow color, mustard yellow color. Okay, it's a Ganga Yamuna border here. Okay, in the saree, and you have the pallu here. Actually the folding is is different here, that's why the pallu came inside. Okay, and the running blouse. Okay, running blouse. This is how the saree will be looking, a very fine saree. Okay, so this is the next saree, a bottle green shade. So you have a small buttas, bamboo buttas along with this border. Okay, in both the borders you have the same kind of a design here, only the border color is different in both the corners. And a light green color, one sided border here again, a tree butta given here, a tree with small sparrows here. Okay, I hope it's sparrow or it's parrot something. Okay, so this is the design given in the border. Okay, it's the border butta, a tree butta along with the peacock and birds, a light green shade, a parrot green shade. Okay, one sided border, and the pallu and the blouse piece. Okay, this is the saree. This is the last saree I have for today. Okay, these are all Chettinad, pure Chettinad cotton saree collections, priced at 850 rupees. Shipping charges is extra. Shipping charges is 60 rupees within Tamil Nadu and 100 rupees rest of India. For all the orders and enquiries, please take the screenshot and WhatsApp me at 9150556870 or inbox me at my page Sri Purnima. Okay, all my collections are listed in my WhatsApp profile as well in the catalog section. Okay, you can refer to that in a single click. So my WhatsApp number is 9150556870. So thanks for all your support. Like my page for more updates daily. Okay, so we will be coming up with the videos and also the photos, so you can refer to all my collections there also. So thank you, thanks for watching. Have a good day.